They say confidence comes from within, but when David's hair starts making him look older than he feels, he realizes it's time for a little outside help. The grays creeping in can't be ignored anymore. He's tried the usual solution, messy hair dye. A quick fix, but also a risky gamble. The result? Let's just say it got him more attention than he bargained for. And those roots. Something David hadn't fully considered in his plan. A dead giveaway. Fortunately, David didn't have to figure it out all alone, because sometimes the perfect solution finds you. Particle Anti-Gray Serum. A game-changing formula. It's easy to use and restores your natural hair color gradually. No mess, no harsh chemicals. Just smooth, great-looking hair that is completely your own. Say hello to confidence and goodbye to hair dye.